Headsets under $50 offer a budget-friendly entry point into the world of headphones with microphones, catering to those who need a balance between affordability and functionality. Whether you're a casual gamer, a student attending online lectures, or someone who takes work calls on the go, a sub-$50 headset can provide the necessary audio for communication and entertainment. While they may not boast the top-tier audio quality or intricate features of high-end models, these headsets can still deliver decent sound and clear microphone pickup for everyday use. The importance lies in their accessibility, making communication and basic audio needs achievable without breaking the bank. In today's video, we will show you the top 5 best headsets under $50. So, let's get started. Starting of our list at number 5, Coosii AC01. The Coosii AC01 wired headphones are designed for both comfort and immersive audio. The over-ear design with large, protein leather ear pads cuts out over 90% of background noise, while the 40mm drivers deliver rich bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. The adjustable headband with a breathable mesh keeps you comfortable during long listening sessions, and the built-in microphone with noise cancellation ensures clear calls. The headphones also feature volume controls so you can easily manage your music and calls without having to reach for your device. With a 3.5mm gold-plated plug, the AC01s are compatible with a wide range of devices, and their lightweight, foldable design makes them perfect for travel. Here is the item number 4, Beribes upgraded hybrid headphones. Beribes wireless headphones offer superior noise cancellation technology, blocking out up to 95% of machine noise for a peaceful listening experience. You can also switch to transparent mode to stay aware of your surroundings without taking off the headphones. With a long battery life of up to 70 hours in standard mode and a quick 5-minute charge providing 4 hours of playtime, these headphones are perfect for extended use. The 40mm drivers deliver deep, powerful sound, while the protein ear pads and ergonomic design ensure maximum comfort. The headphones fold up compactly for easy portability, making them a great choice for travel. The item number 3, Kvidio active noise cancelling headphones. Kvidio active noise cancelling headphones offer the perfect solution to block out distractions and focus on what matters, with technology that cancels up to 95% of ambient noise from TVs, podcasts, and traffic. Whether you're studying, working from home, or taking a long trip, these headphones deliver long-lasting performance with up to 40 hours of playtime in active noise cancellation mode or a whopping 65 hours in standard mode. Plus, a quick 5-minute charge provides 4 hours of playback, and you can also use the included audio cable for wired mode. The headphones feature digital signal processing technology for crystal clear voice calls, and an active transparency mode lets you hear important sounds when needed. With soft ear pads for a comfortable fit, you can truly immerse yourself in your music while keeping noise out. Number 2 on our list, Doqaus Bluetooth headphones. Doqaus Bluetooth headphones are designed for comfort and long listening sessions. The headband is built with a combination of high-grade nylon for durability and a soft silicone interior for comfort. The headphones boast a whopping 90 hours of wireless playback, but even if you run out of juice, a quick 10-minute charge gets you 5 hours of listening time. They can be used wirelessly or with a wired connection for added versatility. Additionally, these headphones feature 3 EQ modes tuned by a professional acoustic engineer, allowing you to customize your listening experience with well-balanced, bass-boosted, or high-definition sound. The over-ear design is comfortable and conforms to your head shape, but for optimal comfort, the manufacturer recommends taking them off for a few minutes every 2 to 3 hours. The top one in our list, Beribes Bluetooth headphones over-ear. Beribes wireless headphones boast features designed for both audiophiles and casual listeners. Equipped with dual 40mm drivers and 6 EQ modes, these headphones cater to various musical preferences from rock to classical. With a massive 65-hour battery life, you can listen for days on end, and the included 3.5mm cable ensures uninterrupted use even when the battery runs out. Comfort is another focus, with lightweight materials keeping your ears strain-free, and the adjustable headband provides a universal fit. Bluetooth 5.3 technology offers a fast and stable connection, letting you pair to 2 devices simultaneously so you can seamlessly switch between your phone and laptop, for instance. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best headsets under $50 amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.